Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. There is no denying that separating from a partner can be one of the most difficult life experiences. As well as dealing with the emotional fallout, you will have to deal with practical issues like organising finances, where you're going to live, and how to take care of your children. Property settlement is a big step towards cutting the financial ties with your former partner. The process involves figuring out how you will divide the relationship's assets and liabilities. By law, there is no set formula to help you decide how property will be shared. Instead, how you agree to handle these matters will depend on your own unique circumstances. New challenges are emerging for those involved in a property settlement due to the coronavirus pandemic. The impact of COVID on courts all across the country has been substantial. Most non-urgent matters are being postponed to a later date, which means that many couples have been left in limbo. Law firms are also taking active steps to limit face-to-face time with clients. These factors make it particularly difficult for couples looking to resolve their property settlement matters in a timely fashion. A financial agreement is an excellent option if you wish to settle your financial affairs without going to court. At RP Emery, we can help you document your property settlement using our financial agreement kits and legal review service. We make financial settlements simpler and offer you many advantages that are useful in these uncertain times, such as easy to access legal advice from the comfort of your own home, a user-friendly experience, a fully editable agreement template, a cost-effective and proven system, and friendly customer support. To learn more about negotiating a property settlement during COVID, check out the link below.